TV.
Identification of kitchen essentials. A fork. A fork. A plate. A plate. A bowl. A bowl. A knife. A knife. A spoon. A spoon. A cup. A cup. A whisk. A whisk. A mug. A mug. A wooden spoon. A wooden spoon. A measuring cup. A measuring cup. A spatula. A spatula. A measuring spoon. A measuring spoon. A can opener. A can opener. A mixing bowl. A mixing bowl. A colander. A colander. A rolling pin. A rolling pin. A Dutch oven. A Dutch oven. A cutting board. A cutting board. A grater. A grater. A peeler. A peeler. A skillet. A skillet. A saucepan. A saucepan. A baking sheet. A baking sheet. A muffin tin. A muffin tin. A toaster. A toaster. A blender. A blender. A ladle. A ladle. A kettle. A kettle. A coffee maker. A coffee maker. A stand mixer. A stand mixer. A potato masher. A potato masher. A slotted spoon. A slotted spoon. A pasta spoon. A pasta spoon. A kitchen shears. A kitchen shears. A sifter. A sifter. A kitchen trivet. A kitchen trivet. A kitchen taunt. A kitchen taunt. A bread knife. A bread knife. A pizza cutter. A pizza cutter. A skewer. A skewer. A kitchen scale. A kitchen scale. A corkscrew. A corkscrew. A fridge. A fridge. A mortar and pestle. A mortar and pestle. A kitchen towel. A kitchen towel. A spice rack. A spice rack. A salt shaker. A salt shaker. A tea infuser. A tea infuser. A basting brush. A basting brush. A dish rack. A dish rack. A gas cylinder. A gas cylinder. A kitchen extractor. A kitchen extractor.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.